Hi, I'm Ahyat, and today we're going to talk about how to become a strategic property investor, and we're going to look into property law. Now, the most important legal document in property transaction, in property investment, is sales and purchase. Sometimes people call it the SMP, sometimes people call it the SPA. I call it the mother of legal documents. And this is the document that actually binds between the vendor, the seller, and the buyer. And there's a whole lot of things to learn about the sales and purchase agreement. It's a very, very powerful sales and purchase legal document. And the important thing to understand is that there are some SMPs that are regulated by the government, which is only for residential properties bought from developers. So only residential properties that you buy direct from developers are the SMPs are actually regulated by the HDA, Housing Development Act. And this one actually basically every clause, every word, every letter in the SMP, apart from your name, the buyer, the vendor's name, and the vendor being the developer, and all the other details on the property is different, but everything else remains the same. So you're very, very well protected as the under HDA. But everything else, if it's residential subsale, if it's commercial, it's actually not a standard document. Whatever you see in any other SMPs could be anything under the sun. Remember, we talked about there's no standard documents. This is what I'm talking about, sales and purchase agreement. There's no standard thing about it. Now, there's a lot of things that you need to know about this, but a couple of things that I want to share is, which won't cover all the things that you need to know, is completion date, which is 3 + 1 months. That means when you've entered a sales and purchase, when you sign a sales and purchase agreement, you get 3 + 1 months. That means maximum 4 months to complete the actual sale. That means you've got to do everything you need to do inside that 3 + 1 months. So this is very, very important. If you breach this, then whatever deposits that you pay, if you're the buyer, whatever deposits that you pay the seller, the vendor can actually forfeit your deposits that you paid. So this completion date is very, very important. There's a lot of other things that I want to share about the sales and purchase agreement. There's too many technicalities, but the point I want to make is that you need to know what are the salient points, the more important points of the sales and purchase agreement to become a better and a more strategic property investor, especially in the context of property law. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you again for the next videos to come. Bye bye.